Hello you guys, it's Lauren and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another Fab Fit Fun haul. I love getting my Fab Fit Fun box. It's like the highlight of the season for me because they come out every season. And I cannot believe I just got a fall box. That is so crazy because how is it almost August? I'm very confused. Where did the year go? But I'm so excited because fall is my favorite season. I love football and bonfires and s'mores and like the cool crisp air, so I am so excited. And I got some things in my Fab Fit Fun box that just made me 10 times more excited for fall. I truly cannot wait. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got. I have a code for you all as well. You can use LAURENLUTO. You will get a discount on your first box. I love Fab Fit Fun because one product in the box can equal the amount that you spend on the box. You get so much good stuff. There's so many things to choose from and you get such a bang for your buck. It's actually insane. Highly suggest you try one of these boxes out. It's so worth it, and then you'll be addicted and you'll want to get one every month. And it's just something really fun to look forward to, and you get to pick out certain items, and I'm gonna show you guys what I picked out. Also, how cute is the box? It says pumpkin spice and everything nice, and the color's just so cute, and I'm just so excited to open this with you guys. All right, let's open her up. Ooh, she's so cute. I love the inside of these boxes too. Like, everything that Fab Fit Fun does, it's just so cute and it makes me so happy. Okay, where do I want to start? Okay, so first up, I got these Eucalyptus shower steamers, and I've been hearing a lot about these shower steamers. I really like bath bombs, but I'm not a huge bath person, especially just because I live in an apartment, and for some reason it really freaks me out to take a bath in a bathtub, like where other people have bathed. I know it's the same as like being in a hot tub or something, but I'm in an apartment and I don't know who's lived here. So I'm really excited about these shower steamers. So I think it's just like a little pod that you throw on the ground in the shower, and then once it gets wet, it releases these aromas of eucalyptus. I love eucalyptus. I have a eucalyptus body wash and it's just so relaxing. It makes me feel like I'm at a spa, and so I'm very excited to try these. I can already smell these. This is sealed shut and I can already smell the eucalyptus, so I feel like the scent's gonna be really strong. So maybe I'll just have a little spa night, have a little shower, do a face mask, and just do some self-care. So fall is not fall without a candle. I am a candle fanatic. I love candles so much. If you could see my nightstands right now, okay, I'm going to count how many candles I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles between the two of my nightstands. I think that is a bit excessive and it looks a little cluttered, but also I went to Target today and they had their fall candles out. It is still July while I am filming this, and I bought a candle because I love candles. I love fall. I have it lit right now. My room smells like fall. I had to get in the vibe for the video to unbox this fall box, and I wish you guys could smell my room right now. It smells like a freaking fall wonderland. I love it. But now I have this new candle that I'm really excited to try. So this is from Free People. Free People is pretty expensive, so I'm assuming this candle on its own is pretty expensive. So already getting a bang for your buck with the box. So this one is the Lodge candle. It's, oh gosh, I can't pronounce these words. Okay, so I know patchouli, I think, and then it's a very common scent, Palo Santo. I might have completely just butchered that. If I did, don't come at me, but it's those two words. That is the scent. Let me unbox it and let you guys know what it smells like to the best of my ability. Oh, and the glass is just like, oh, so perfect for fall. Okay. Oh my gosh, my heart is just like so happy right now. Oh, cozy blankets, candles, Halloween, it's just the best. The candle itself, so cute. I could probably smell it with the cardboard. It smells so good. I can't describe the smell, but it's very warm. Very inviting and perfect for the fall season. Okay, next up is, what did I get? What is this? Ooh, so I got these spice jars. It's a set of 2. I kind of forgot what they look like, so I'm gonna be surprised right now, which is always exciting when you order something and you forget what it is and then you open it and you're like, oh, I'm so happy I picked that out. Oh God, I hate the sound of styrofoam. Ugh. Oh God, I hate that sound. Ooh. These jars are really cool. Okay, these jars are so cool. I love the color. I love a neutral color in the kitchen. And the top has like all these ridges on it, and it has like a really cute handle. So there's the inside, you have your little spices. I'm trying to think what I have in the kitchen that I could put in here. But, so it comes as a set. I hate that sound. This would just look really cute on the counter. Oh my gosh, look how cute these are. Okay, I'm gonna put these in my kitchen as soon as I'm done filming this and style them and figure out what I'm gonna put in these. Next product is from Verb, and it's the Ghost Prep Heat Protectant. And I remember I saw this, and one, I just liked how the bottle looked, which I will buy things because the bottle is just pretty. But I have been wanting to find something to put on my hair before I blow dry it, before I curl it, because I'm really trying to protect it from heat so it'll grow. It's actually been growing decently quick. It kind of gets to this point and then it stops. I would like my hair to be down to here. I want to be a mermaid. Unfortunately, I don't think that's in the cards for me, but I feel like this could help using a heat protectant so it doesn't break off and it'll continue to grow longer. So this is a weightless moisture plus heat protection plus frizz control. I wonder if it has a smell. Okay, I can't smell because it's packaged shut. Have yet to try this, but I'm just excited to have it on my counter because I think the packaging is cute. Okay, this product I have heard so many good things about. So this is from Summer Fridays. I have heard so many amazing things about Summer Fridays, and I have tried one of their masks. Their jet lag Their jet lag mask, and it's super hydrating. I really like the mask, and I've been hearing so many things about this lip balm that they have. It's a lip butter balm. Again, the aesthetic is so cute. I've just heard so many good things about this product, so you know what? I'm gonna put it on right now. I have a little bit of lipstick left over from when I was filming earlier, but here is what it looks like. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this. Vanilla beige. Vegan. Okay. Ooh. It has a clear applicator. I love applicators like this. Okay, let's try it. Oh, and you can see like the color of it. Ooh, can you see it? Okay. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, the taste of it's really good too. Ooh, that added like a really nice shine to my lips. Okay. Yep, this lives up to the hype. I can already tell. Ooh. It tastes like vanilla. It tastes really good. Oh my gosh, that is such a nice glossy color. You guys, look at this. I'm gonna put more on. Oh yeah. That is a lot of moisture. That's why I love these boxes, is because you get to try so many different brands at once, and they have really good products. Like they have Summer Fridays, which is amazing. And wow, I cannot tell you how excited I am about this lip product. Oh my gosh, it provided so much moisture to my lips too. It doesn't feel sticky at all. It's very creamy, and it has like a really pretty color. Okay. I'm telling you, if you get the fall box, get this stuff, you will not regret it because this is good. You guys, these unboxings always go by so fast, and I have so much fun doing these unboxings. Like, I just never want it to end. Oh, this is cute. So, I really liked the pattern of this bag. Let me unwrap it. I feel like it's just good to have like a bigger tote bag that you can like keep in your car. Like you could have like a little emergency kit in your car if the summertime you want to go to the beach. I mean, I know this is for the fall. This is so cute for the fall too. This is a very large tote, which I love. Wow, it's so spacious. And there is a strap inside. So there's a long strap, which I'm assuming you can wear over your shoulder or crossbody, or you could literally just carry it like this. But how freaking cute is this? Wait, I'm gonna come up a little higher so you can see it. Oh my gosh. I love this tote bag. How adorable is this? Gosh, I just love the stripes. I love the black and white. It's so chic. And it's ginormous. Like, I could literally put myself in this. Like, look how big that is. How cute is this? I'm so excited to use this. Sadly, we have come to the end of the unboxing, but I had so much fun unboxing my package with you guys. If you are looking to get the Fab Fit Fun box, I would definitely do this fall season because there are so many good things to pick from. Don't forget, you can use my discount code LAURENLUTO to get a little bit of money off of your box. We love a good deal. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you do so now. Down there, no pressure. Give you a few seconds, find the subscribe, you can click it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite item was. Honestly, I think that lip balm, or the lip butter balm? I honestly think that lip butter balm might be my favorite thing in the box. The littlest thing, but it's so good. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.